In this video, we'll be telling about how to recover deleted contacts in your Android smartphone. In most of the Android phone, default application for contacts will be Google Contacts. You don't need to install this application separately, it will come as default application. Usually in Android phones, you can see a folder like this Google in first page, and when you are clicking on that page, you can see Google Contacts application, or you can check for this application in your apps. Anyways, open this Google Contacts application. When you are opening that Google Contacts application, you can see every contact saved. For example, I am deleting this contact A. When you are long pressing on that contact will be selected, and above you can see delete button. Just click on this delete button, and here you can see move to bin option. When you are clicking on that contact will be deleted from here. Now to restore this contact, what you need to do is in Google Contacts app, down here you can see fix and manage option. Click on fix and manage. Here you can see one option bin. Click on bin. When you are clicking on bin, you can see that deleted contact here. Now to restore this contact, what you need to do is click on this contact, and here you can see one option recover. Click on recover. When you are clicking on recover, that contact will be restored. Again, if you are going to your contacts, you can see that contact here. So this way you can recover your deleted contact. But important thing you should notice that if you are saving your contacts in Google account or any Gmail only, you can recover your contacts like this. If you are saving it in SIM, you cannot recover it like this. It's better to save your contacts in Google account or Gmail. We have done one video about that, how to save contacts in Google account or Gmail. If you want, you can check that video. Video link is given in the description. To recover deleted contacts, one more trick is there. In this trick, click on fix and manage, and here you can see settings option. Click on settings. In settings, down here you can see one option undo changes. Click on undo changes. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to select the account. My contacts are saved in this account, so I am selecting this account. When you are selecting that account, you can see an option like this. If you have deleted that contact in last 1 hour, you can select 1 hour, or you can select 1 week, or custom option is also there. Here you can select up to 30 days. After that, here you can see confirm option. Just click on this confirm option and you can see OK button. But the problem is that if you have saved any contacts, that contacts will be also deleted. So it's better to use first trick. But important thing you should notice that you can recover that contacts only if you have deleted that contacts within last 30 days. If it is before that, you cannot recover contacts like this. This contacts will be saved in bin folder only for 30 days. After that, it will be deleted from here also automatically. So that thing you should keep in mind. Within 30 days only, you can recover these contacts. So this way you can recover deleted contacts in your smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.